Okay guys, I did the previous video where I was showing you how to do put in the ratios on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So on this one, I'm going to show you how to do it on TradingView. So the first thing guys, let me just reset this and put it on default. So yes, it's on default guys, so you just have to follow me and put all these ratios. So I'm going to press settings, come to the first tab here, style. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm going to take out this number, the 4.23. It's not, we don't use it, so I'm going to put the first ratio, which is 0.786. so I'm going to do another one, so you just have to follow the way I'm doing it. I'm going to put 0.886, and then here I'm going to put 1.13. So after doing that, I'm just gonna tick this 1.41, and then I'm going to tick this 1.27. so these are the ratios we are also going to use. So you just have to put the 0.786, skip this one, put 0.886, and then 1.13, and then just tick this one 1.41, and also tick 1.27. so the next one we're going to put 2.24, and then we are going to put the 2. If you don't have it, just put 2, and then the next one is going to be let me see, we are going to put 3.14. so after putting 3.14, we are going to say 3.618. Yeah guys, I think that's it. You need to make sure that all these ratios are there guys. 0, 0.23, all these ratios, they look like mine. So when you press OK, all these ratios guys are going to be there. All these ratios are going to be there. So when I do other videos where I show you how to use these ratios, it's gonna be simple for you. You just measure from the X leg, A leg, X to A, B, C, D, and then you can identify what type of pattern it is. So guys, this is going to be a short, it's as I said, it's going to be a short video. So yeah, thanks.